Hi students, today I will teach you institutions of democracy. To know this, we should know about universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means that every adult in the country has the right to vote. No person can be denied voting rights on ground of caste, creed, religion, gender, etc. This feature is an essential part of democracy. Now, we should know that before universal adult franchise, there was a struggle to get the universal adult franchise because previously the European did not allow all the candidates to cast the vote. Especially the woman is having no right. They had not giving any right to giving votes. Even in the United States of America, the people of African origin did not have voting rights until 1965. And after a great struggle, it was decided in 1950 in our constitution that every adult that is above 18 years of age, they are having right to cast vote, and this is called universal adult franchise. Now, importance of universal adult franchise. This is having equality because every people can have the right above 18 years of age, means adult, to cast vote. It also encourages young people to participate in the electoral process. Another important is that it initiates people in the act of choosing their representatives. They can choose their own representatives. And at the last, it can be said that it brings to power a government based on the consent of the people. Next, we come election. Yes, election is a very important thing for the democracy because through election only the people choose their candidates according to their own choice. And how this had happened. An election is a contest between candidates of different political parties for the same position. In such a process, some would win and some would lose. Beside this, sometimes there are individuals also who contest an election without belonging to any established political party. Such individuals are called independent candidates. Next come conducting elections. How the elections are conducting. In a democratic country like India, the task of holding elections in the country is entrusted to an independent constitutional body, that is Election Commission of India. The head of the Election Commission is the Chief Election Commissioner, who appointed by the President. Now, casting the vote. Previously, earlier times, people used to cast their vote in the ballot paper. What is ballot paper? Ballot paper means a slip of paper used for registering people's vote. They put this paper inside the ballot box, and later by opening the box, it was seen that who own in the election. Nowadays, there is a machine. That machine is called EVM, means electronic voting machine. Through this machine, the vote is conducting. The EVM shows the names of the candidates and the symbol of the party to which they belong. Independent candidates also have their own symbols allotted by the election commissioner. The voter are only required to press the button against the name of the candidate of their choice. After the voting process is over, the ballot boxes of the EVM are sealed and kept in safe custody. On a particular day fixed by the election commission, they are opened. The votes for each candidate are then counted. The candidate getting the maximum vote in each constituency is declared elected. The party whose maximum candidates are elected becomes the ruling party. Now a question comes, what do you mean by constituency? Constituency means for conducting election, the country or state is divided into different areas called constituencies. Now today I think you can understand how election process is going on through universal adult franchise. Thank you. Next day the rest.